Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Yzoni Cobb rechargeable portable work light. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So if we look on the side here, it says highlight, single light, low light, and red light. It says USB charging input, USB output, power indicators, powerful magnet. So this charges via USB. That means you can charge it with a phone charger, wall charger that has USB, a car, a power pack. There are many options for charging this. It also has USB output, so you can use this to charge your devices. So let's take a look at it. Has a contact card, has a user manual. We have on-off button, the Cobb floodlight. So Cobb stands for chip on board. That's the type of LED it has. It's 360-degree adjustable, magnetic. The material is ABS and TPR. Has lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. So it has a battery indicator. Each light is 25% of the battery. It says do not look directly at the Cobb. So it comes with a USB Type-C cable. It looks to be about 3 foot long. And here's the light. So these legs swivel all around, so you could set it up like that. It also has magnets in it. Has this rubberized plastic that we can pull away to reveal the charge port. So we can plug this in here to charge it, and then it has a port for charging other devices here. So I'll plug that into my charger here. So it's currently charging at 0.8 amps, so that can vary depending on how much charge is in the battery. The button is on this side here, so I will unplug this. Check out the modes. So if I press this button, we have it on. I'll press it again, we have this light on. Press it again, we have this light on. Again, we have it on a lower mode, and then we have a red flashing mode. So that red flashing light would be a great emergency light to have in a car. So you can split the light like this, so it shines some here, some here. You can do it like this. You can shine them both down, so you could potentially hang that in a tent or say a dining fly, and that could illuminate your work area. If you're working on a car, you could magnet that to your hood and then you can redirect these. But if you only need one of the lights, you can just turn one on, so that's pretty handy. So I'm going to point my camera at the wall. I have the light and the camera about 4 foot away from the wall, and we'll see the light that this casts. So this is full, and you can see shadows there. There are some things in the way. This is one light, this is top light, bottom light, this is half light, and this is the emergency mode. So I do want to point something out that I noticed while doing that, is that when you click it, it goes between the modes, but if you leave it on for a little bit and then click it, it automatically turns off. So if you have it on a specific mode, like this mode, and you want to turn it off, you don't have to click this a bunch of times to turn it off. You just have to click it once. And I don't know what the time is. Okay, that was not enough time. It's probably like 10 seconds or so. So that's a handy feature that you don't have to cycle through all the lights to turn it off. So I'm going to take this out to my garage and we'll illuminate my car tire with this to simulate if you're, say, changing a car tire with this. Then I'll attach it to my hood too, so we can see what it looks like illuminating an engine. Okay, so I'm in my garage. It's dark out right now, and I position the light down here and it's shining on my tire. So this would give you plenty of light to change a tire. And this is on high. This is on the low mode. This is mostly plenty of light, but say you set a lug nut on the ground, it may be harder to see if you have this on a dimmer mode. So here I have the light positioned on my hood. Now this hood is actually aluminum, so this will not stick to it. Most cars will have steel hoods, but the latch bracket is steel. So I found a little spot that I could magnet this to, and you can see it on top of the engine. It really illuminates it well. So if I had a problem here, this would give me lots of light to help me diagnose the problem. So that's the Yzoni Cobb rechargeable portable work light. So I don't think I mentioned earlier, this is 2500 lumens. I think this is a very versatile work light. With that red flashing light, I think this is very ideal for keeping in a car for emergencies, but there are many applications from painting to maintenance, repair, camping, you name it. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.